Kim Woo-bin and Shin Min-ah both donated to aid with wildfire recovery. According to the Korean Red Cross, Chairman Kim Chol-soo, on March 27, Kim Woo-bin and Shin Min-ah each donated 50 million Korean won, $34,131 United States dollars, to aid recovery efforts following large-scale wildfires across the country, including in Sancheong, Jeonnam, Uiseong, Jeongbuk, and Ulsan. Their donations will be used to support wildfire victims and firefighters working to contain the blazes. Through the Korean Red Cross, Kim Woo-bin stated, "I hope this donation can bring some comfort to those affected by the wildfires. I am also deeply grateful to the firefighters, volunteers, and officials working tirelessly to combat the fires and assist the victims." Shin Min-ah echoed this sentiment, saying, "I hope this contribution provides even a small measure of comfort to those impacted. I also pray for the safety of all firefighters, relief workers, and volunteers on the front lines." Kim Woo-bin began donating anonymously in 2014 to support underprivileged youth and has continued giving back for 11 years, assisting pediatric cancer patients and marginalized communities. His total donations to date have exceeded 1.1 billion Korean won, $750,892 United States dollars. This is not Shin Min-ah's first act of philanthropy, either. At the end of last year, she donated 300 million Korean won, $204,797 United States dollars, to various organizations, including the Hanlim Burn Foundation and Seoul Asan Hospital. Over the past 15 years, her cumulative donations have reached approximately 4 billion Korean won, $7 million United States dollars. She has also supported education programs for underprivileged children, heating aid for elderly individuals living alone, and assistance programs for North Korean defectors and their children. Additionally, she has contributed to disaster relief efforts during the COVID-19 pandemic, wildfires, and floods, further spreading her positive influence. Meanwhile, Kim Woo-bin and Shin Min-ah have been in a public relationship for 10 years since confirming their romance in 2015. See also, Epic High's DJ Two Cuts revealed to have stepped in to stop a delivery man from assaulting an elderly security guard.